Hi guys, Bart Barnes here with Clemons Boats in Sandusky, Ohio. Today we're taking a look at this 160 Super Sport offered to you by Boston Whaler. One thing I really like about this boat is the whole package. So the boat motor trailer, and they've thought of everything, including a swing away breakaway tongue. So this will fit in any standard car garage with that swing away tongue. We've also equipped this one with the split bow rail. This is an option. So we do this option for two reasons. We really like it. So if you're going to board this boat at the ramp and jump on the boat, a lot of people use this as steps. You don't have to swing your leg as far over to get onto the boat. Another reason, when you go to drop anchor and you throw your anchor overboard, you don't have to fish your bow line through your bow rail. You just tie it off to your cleat, and then your nav light is actually like a harness for your anchor, so it's not sliding all over the place. As we continue talking about the whole package, this is a Magic Tilt trailer with a spare tongue and holder, obviously. It's a galvanized trailer with Torsen axles and LED brakes, or excuse me, LED lights all the way around. This boat is in Abaco or Abaco Blue, depending on which part of the country you're from. You pronounce it different ways. You also have a stainless steel rub rail. When they redesigned the Super Sport, they added this little glove box or this little storage area that I really like. It is lockable too, so if you wanted to throw like maybe a ship to shore, a cell phone, a wallet in there and go to a tavern or something, you could lock it. It also is gasketed too, so if you're putting a t-shirt or something in there, it's a little more water resistant. When you go to the 16 over the 130, you get a cooler standard. It also pops out and is removable. You can put it back here so that if you want to move about the boat with a little more free access, you can relocate it back here and it will lock itself in place with the gas tank on this particular one. So speaking of the gas tank, as we move through this boat, this is an upgraded larger fuel cell option. We did that for two reasons. One, we upgraded the motor to the 90 horse. Standard on this boat would be a 75 horsepower. We did opt to go to the 90 because when you go to the 90, it opens up the ski tow bar option. And this boat is a water sports machine, so we definitely wanted to get the ski tow bar. This 90 pushes this boat like a rocket ship as well. It's a very fun boat to run. Ski tow bar, if you're not into water sports, is also a great thing to grab onto if you're boarding the boat at the sandbar. Another thing, when you get into a boat this size, I feel like getting in and out of the boat can be more challenging. So Whaler's done a nice job with a 4-step ladder instead of a 3-step. That extra last step gives you a little bit more of a boost to get in. Also, you have a platform too, so you don't feel like Shamu coming out at the SeaWorld Act. So you have a nice platform to get up on. And when you get the ski tow bar, you got something stout. So when you are getting in and out of this boat, you got something really beefy to grab onto to get yourself up and into the boat. And a lot of people are going to take this to the beach and do some sandbarring. Whaler's done a nice job too, powering it with the Mercury power plant. You're getting 3 years warranty on that. Also with Whaler, you're getting a 3-year parts component and corrosion warranty. That's kind of one of the nice things about this boat too, is there's not a lot to go wrong. So there's not a lot of components, but you do get the warranty to go with it. This bench too, you can keep it plain Jane as a bench. You could throw a regular seat cushion from Whaler. It's a tan cushion. They also offer a hinged backrest, which is my favorite. And then they have a nice one with a real tall backrest that's fixed in place. Or we could get customized. You can get whatever you want, and we could throw a swivel in here, or maybe go to Bass Pro or something. You can get a clamp style. The world's your oyster. But they do have a matching set of seats for here, this cooler, and the bow cushion. If you wanted the factory OEM, we can make that happen as well. You can see this boat and many more at clemonsboats.com, and we'll see you on the water. Thanks, guys.